Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage app permissions for DoorDash, follow these step-by-step instructions to control what information and device features the app can access. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your smartphone, either iOS or Android device. Step 2. On iOS, scroll down to find DoorDash in your list of installed apps and tap on it. On Android, tap Apps or Applications, then find and select DoorDash. Step 3. On iOS, you'll see a list of permissions DoorDash has requested. On Android, tap Permissions to view all permission categories. Step 4. Review location permission settings. DoorDash requires location access to show nearby restaurants and provide delivery services. Choose while using the app for optimal privacy. Step 5. Check camera permission if you've used DoorDash's photo features for payment methods or profile pictures. Toggle this on or off based on your needs. Step 6. Review notifications permission to control whether DoorDash can send you order updates, delivery status, and promotional alerts. Step 7. Check microphone permission if you've used any voice features, and disable it if you don't use voice commands. Step 8. Review photo library or storage access permissions, which DoorDash may need for uploading profile pictures or saving receipts. Step 9. On Android, check additional permissions like phone or contacts if requested, and adjust according to your comfort level. Step 10. Return to the DoorDash app and verify it still functions properly with your adjusted permissions, re-enabling only necessary permissions if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.